Hey guys, another Fix It Pros video. We got here an S8 that we're installing the full LCD and the screen. Have it right here. We're going to be installing this whole thing. And I've already taken it apart already. I just kind of want to show this video to show you what we use to really get the screen down, because if you see here, there's really no adhesive here. There's just adhesive here, but then you have the ends that are going to lift up. So we like to use this B7000 glue. It's a silicone glue. It dries, doesn't dry that quick, which is a good thing. So we can get the glue in there. So you want to just go along the edges here. Gotta get careful with this stuff because it kind of dries. Like if you don't put the cap on, it gets all gooey inside. So we're gonna put this glue here, all along the edge. We don't have any lifting. That's the worst thing. Install everything and then you still have lifting. And I don't like to use crazy glue in case there's a chance you have to take it off again. This just heats up. Okay, careful with the cameras. Okay, so now we've got that glue there. Sometimes when they come from these manufacturers, they're not lined up completely, so I like to make sure that the flex cable will install properly. I've also added these Kapton tape. I don't know if you guys ever seen this, but this is like it's like for heat, but it's also like for electricity, so there's no like glitching later. So I like to cover up any of the electronic components there. See those little chipsets? So I like to cover all those up. So we want to install this in here. Slip that through. And let's get that connected first, because then later we can wiggle the cable to adjust. But once you install the screen, it'll be very difficult to get that to click. Okay, great. So we're on now. Hopefully that's good. And now from this side, you want to line up everything, like the speaker, because if it doesn't go on, you're gonna have big problems. Okay, looks like everything's lining up pretty proper. And because you use that B7000 glue, you're gonna get all the way to those edges. And that's what we really want, because they only put, let me pull this off just so we can see. And see how like nice that is? It's all the way to the edge, but it's gonna stay. It's not gonna lift. You don't want this lifting later. You know, these are very expensive right now. And you don't want the customer coming back saying it's lifted and in their pocket. So you see that right there. You want to make sure all that's down. Okay. Yeah, you see? Little problem here. There's a little problem right here. It's not all the way to the edge. You gotta make sure that's moved over. You gotta make sure that's moved all the way over. Just be careful pressing this down. Okay, so now it's all the way over. You can see here, it was sticking out a little bit before, but now I just was able to squeeze it over. Okay, that's looking fine. Looks great. So now we want to connect the battery back on. Everything's been placed back in order. And I just want to, this is a little tricky. You have to, this won't come on unless this thing is on. Let me kind of show you that. There's a little trick here. Turn this on. Oh, maybe it does come on. Usually they say like it doesn't come on unless this back plate's placed, but that may or may not be. Correct. But as you see, everything's working pretty nice. So once you connect all this back in place, I just want to leave it like this for now, but you see everything is working. Pretty nice. Alright guys, thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe, give us a like on Facebook, and have a great day.